Alright, everybody, welcome to another little ride. I just felt like I had to get out and ride around a little bit. So I am up in Mabalacat and I'm gonna go through Clark. This is the Mabalacat gate, and I'm on my way home actually, but I just took an hour ride or so today just to do something. Alright, so here we are entering the Freeport, as they call it, also the Special Economic Zone and Freeport Economic Zone or whatever. This whole area is part of Mabalacat, Andoer, Porac, some portions also in Capas, Bamban, Tarlac, so the Clark New City. I think up in towards Tarlac and the new stadium and all that. I think that is within Tarlac. So, but anyway, most of you know it is a old U.S. Air base. I think the Filipina Air Force took over, and you know, they are now developing this giant project, trains between Manila and you know, the Manila airport and up into Clark International. So I don't know when that's going to be done, but somebody told me the train ride will be, I think, about 45 minutes to an hour, and that's pretty amazing, considering many times it takes about 3 hours or so just to get to the airport in Manila. Anyway, beautiful day, and we have had it seriously hot the last few days. I think it's been like in the 35, 36 degrees Celsius, what that transforms to in Fahrenheit, I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure it's into the 90s for sure. And humidity has been high. So this road has been here now for a few years, I think, at least 3 or so, maybe 4. And we just went through the roundabout. That part there will take you up into New Clark City, and I think also the stadium and that kind of thing. You can ride up that way. The road hasn't been open yet. I bet the Chismis here has delayed the whole project for sure. And I gotta make a little quick stop. My cell phone holder is shaking again, coming loose. Alright, hold on guys. Alright, so I got that one fixed. It is actually, I have bought a new one, so it's going to be installed. This one served its purpose, but it was a little flimsy, and it was like you had like a spring in it, and you could bend it to the position you wanted, but it was shaky, and shook loose parts in it. So it's done for. So we need a new one. New for sure. Alright, so when we get up here to the light, I'm gonna make a right turn. That turn takes you up to the villages, and depending on where you go in the next roundabout here, you either get into Fontana. You can also get up to the bridge up there. I'm not quite sure what the name of that bridge is, and but anyway, you cross that bridge and go out in the back door, so to speak, in Clark. Then you head into Bamban, Tarlac. Alright, that was another little shake. Cell phone holder came loose. Phone is falling off. Luckily, I have a safety cord on it, so it doesn't fall to the ground. Anyway, that is over. It's going to be replaced as soon as I get back home. Alright, so coming up this way, you have the roundabout up here. If you kind of go straight through it, well, you can't go straight, but you know what I mean. Some industrial areas here to the right, but the first right here is taking you out to that bridge and into Tarlac. You can also, I believe, get up to NLEX up here. You have the right turn right there. I'm gonna go this way, and I'm gonna head up towards Fontana. So we're almost there. But I love to be around in this area. It's beautiful. Ride. As you can see, we don't have a whole lot of traffic. It's fresh air, and you need that these days when you've been sitting cooped up for 14, 15 months, and it's kind of interesting. Alright, let's see. No traffic, four-way stop. Light, no light. So anyway, you've been sitting cooped up for a long time, and the fresh air, oxygen is a vital part to your good health. And I just spoke to one of the former barangay captain here a couple of days ago, and he told me a little bit about these older folks that are sitting home. Many are getting into depression, all kinds of stuff, and you know, it's sad to hear those things. You know, a lot of people take this differently. You know, my mentality is we'll do the best out of it, and see where we're going from here. Hopefully we have some word now that it might ease up on the 30th, but to be honest, I would not hold my breath on it. My guess has been you know, that we probably will have to live with this until we see the next election here in the Philippines. So anyway, I'm coming up here. If you look straight ahead on the left side and you see the Marriott, once we're coming up there, you will see some giant constructions going on, and So somewhere here there is some money, and that's for sure. All right, this is going to end this little trip. Look at this, they're all out here working in the hot sun. So anyway, this is going to go and end the trip, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless and take care. Bye bye.